In this video, we're going to set up a Wi-Fi access point on our Wi-Fi enabled Advantech router. To do this, we need to go to the Wi-Fi configuration settings, and we need to enable our Wi-Fi access point 1. We can have more than one Wi-Fi access point on this device, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to look at setting up one access point. Next, we need to decide if we want our wireless LAN and LAN networks connected, or if we want them to be on separate networks. We're going to bridge ours, which means that we don't need to fill in any information in these fields up here. Next, we need to set up the SSID, or the Wi-Fi name for our network, and we're going to call it AD_test. We want to make sure that our broadcast SSID is enabled so we can find our network and connect to it, which it is there. Then we need to set up our hardware mode, which is the Wi-Fi standards that we're going to use. We're going to use the B+G+N standards for this video. Yours may be different depending on what you're going to do with your device, but we're going to use these settings for now. We're not going to worry too much about the channel, bandwidth or short GI settings either. We'll leave them as they are now. Next, we need to set up our Wi-Fi security, so we will set our authentication type to WPA2-PSK, our encryption type to AES, and we'll leave these settings here you can see filled out for us. Our PSK, or pre-shared key type, we're going to use a passphrase or password. We'll set that to test123! And then we need to apply these settings. Once we've applied the settings, we need to go to our Ethernet configuration settings and just make sure we bridge this with our Wi-Fi settings, and then we can click apply. Once you've applied these settings, we should be able to go down to our network center and find our Wi-Fi network, which is AD test, and enter the passphrase that we set up, which was test123! And connect to that. And as you can see, we're connected. If I just unplug the Ethernet cable, there you can see now we're wirelessly connected to our network. And to double check, we can look at the network settings up here, go to our WLAN 0 status, and we can see that some packets are being received and transmitted, which means data is being sent and received, so we're connected. We can also check just by accessing an internet page and making sure that the pages load, which they do. So I hope that was easy, hope you followed along, and thanks for watching the video.